Yes sir, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got it's a 2003 Toyota Camry, and we're doing a valve cover gasket replacement. These are the valve covers. We're also doing a rear brake shoes, but I'm gonna split the video up. I'm gonna start with the valve cover gasket. This is why we're replacing them. Okay, all of this here, this oil has been leaking, and it's leaking all the way around the engine, and it's leaking onto the exhaust. Look at all of this. You can smell it inside the cabin when you're inside the car. You use the AC or the heat, you know, you can just smell it through the vents. So we're gonna knock that out. Let's get it. All right, first we wanna 10 mils. Hit those, take off the cover. All right, the cover off. You wanna take out your coil packs. Remove the harness from each. Get all of those out. Next, we got a 10 mil right here. Get that out. Move that away from the valve cover. This right here. That holds. Move that. This 10 mil right here. Move that to the side. Alright. And now we can hit 10 mil, 10 mil. Alright, counted 8 10mm bolts going around. Get those out. Alright, we should be able to pry it with a pry bar. Get up under here and yeah, we got it off. This thing is hard, brittle, already broke. Look at that. Time to get it out. Things dried out. That's what happens. All right, we're gonna clean up the surface. You can see it's been leaking all back here, on the back side, on the sides of it, and of course in the front, like I showed you. Alright, we're ready to go back in. Make sure you put some gasket sealant on this surface. Right in here. You want to hit something right here. Back here. You can see where it was some. We'll get it in there. Go ahead and reverse order, put everything back together. And we done. Clean it up in the front a little bit. I'm gonna spray it down. Almost forgot that one and that one, but I didn't. Good. That's it. Until next time, the Pull-Up King.